In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram password. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're going to find different section. Navigate to the section Account Center. Now head over to the option Password and Security. Click on the option Change Password. Now click on your Instagram account. From this page, you are able to change password for Instagram. So go ahead and type in your current password. Then type in new password. Retype in your new password. Once you are done, you can click on the option Change Password. Likewise, you can check in for the option Log out of other devices. And just for that, your new password will be updated. So this is how you can easily change Instagram password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.